Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to extract or unzip files on Windows 10 or 11 PC. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, go ahead and find the zip file or compressed file, okay? And then once that's done, you can actually right click on it, and then in these options below you have the extract all option. So you can just click on it and then go ahead and browse where you want it to extract the contents of this zip file or RAR file, okay? And then just click on extract. There you go. It creates us a new normal folder or file folder that includes the content of this specific zip file. That's just basically it. Let's say, for example, I'm going to delete this file folder. I will still have the zip file. Double click on it. Well, if you want to move or copy just one file, well, you can just easily right click, copy, and paste it wherever you want. Or you can just drag and drop one, another one, two, or drag and drop multiple. Okay? And there you have it. That's how simple it is to extract or unzip files on Windows PC. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.